Hello everyone and welcome to Business Hub. When you start a new company, you can realize your ideas, provide value for your customers, and take charge of your future. But it's not a chance that has to be ignored. The keys to success are thorough planning, tenacity, and intelligent choices. In this guide, we'll provide you a detailed roadmap to help you get around the challenges of building your own business from beginning. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Market research and idea generation. Finding your area of competence and enthusiasm. Every successful business begins with a novel and intriguing idea. To begin, consider your passions, skills, and areas of expertise. What actually makes you pumped up? What problems do you hope to solve? Your business idea should align with your hobbies and enhance your distinctive qualities. Analyzing market trends and opportunities. After selecting your area of interest, thoroughly investigate the industry to find out about current trends, consumer behavior, and market gaps. Find out the benefits and drawbacks of your competitors by doing research on them. With the help of this research, you might position your business differently and provide customers a unique option. Define your target audience and their needs. You should be able to pinpoint your target market, the people who will benefit from your product or service. Recognize their needs, challenges, propensities, and routines. This information will serve as a guide for your customer engagement programs, marketing strategies, and product development. Business planning. Creating a purpose and vision statement that is clear. Your company's aims and future direction are outlined in the mission and vision statements. Its company's mission statement explains why it was founded, but its vision statement outlines the course you want it to pursue. As you start your company journey, you will utilize these claims as your guiding principles. Conducting a SWOT analysis. By examining your company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, you may do a SWOT analysis. With the help of this evaluation, which provides insights into your internal capabilities and the external market situations, you can make informed decisions and develop your strategy. Outlining your unique value proposition. What sets your business apart? Your unique value proposition, UVP, outlines in detail how your product or service differs from those of your competitors. It talks about how you provide better value than competitors or how you address customer complaints. Setting achievable goals and milestones. Establish short and long-term goals for your business. By dividing them into reasonable milestones, you may make these goals easier to reach. This rigorous approach will keep you motivated and focused as you grow. Legal and financial considerations. Selecting an appropriate business structure. Select a business structure that will help you achieve your goals and provide the right amount of liability protection, tax benefits, and operational flexibility. Common organizational structures include corporations, partnerships, limited liability companies, LLCs, and sole proprietorships. Registering your business name and obtaining licenses. Select a business name that may be registered and correctly describes your brand. Depending on your industry and geographic location, you can need licenses, permits, and certifications to legally operate your business. Developing a comprehensive business plan. Your business plan details your company's goals, target market, value proposition, marketing approach, financial projections, and operational strategies. This document is essential for attracting investors, securing funding, and guiding the growth of your business. Setting up a business bank account and financial systems. To separate your personal and business finances, open a separate corporate bank account. Use financial tools and software to efficiently monitor income, expenditure, and financial performance. Funding your business. Estimating initial costs and continuing costs. Determine the costs of launching and maintaining your business for at least the first year. Include expenses for utilities, marketing, product development, salaries, and rent. Knowing exactly what you need financially is crucial when seeking for financing. Exploring funding options. Consider a range of financial choices, including individual savings, loans from banks or internet lenders, angel investors, venture capitalists, and platforms that facilitate crowdsourcing. Since each option has benefits and drawbacks, choose the one that best fits your business needs and your aspirations for growth. Making precise financial estimates and a budget. Make a comprehensive budget that explains how you'll divide the money among the many parts of your business. Make financial projections that show your income and expenses over a certain time period, often 3 to 5 years. Presenting your business concept. Make a convincing presentation that highlights the market prospects, UVP, and financial projections of your company. This pitch will be crucial when presenting your business to potential investors, partners, or lenders. Creating a strong brand identity. Putting effort into making a unique business logo and other graphic assets. Your brand's visual identity, which consists of your logo, colors, and typography, conveys your organization's personality and beliefs. Work with a talented designer to create a unique and recognizable brand image. Creating a powerful brand narrative and message. Make a brand story that resonates with your target audience. Share your company's story, beliefs, and purpose by using consistent message across all communication channels. Creating a presence online. Create a professional website that showcases your products or services, provides the information visitors need, and allows for customer engagement. Establish an online community by interacting with your audience on social media platforms. Service or good development. Improving your product to better meet customer demands. To tackle certain issues and provide value, refine your product or service based on customer feedback and market research. To meet shifting customer wants, iterate and improve continuously. Testing and prototyping your service or product. Prototypes or minimum viable products, MVPs, may be used to test your ideas in the real world. Get feedback from potential customers and make the necessary modifications before releasing to establish a strong market fit. Taking input into account and making changes. Feedback is necessary to make your product better. Pay attention to customer suggestions, reviews, and complaints to enhance your product or service's attributes, usability, and user experience. Ensuring delivery that is high quality and reliable. Deliver consistently high-quality products or services to gain the trust and loyalty of your customers. Establish quality control methods and enforce high standards across the whole organization. Sales and marketing strategies. Putting up a marketing plan that is tailored to your target market. Create a comprehensive marketing strategy that outlines your goals for reaching your target market across a range of channels, including traditional advertising, social media, digital marketing, and content creation. Using digital marketing methods. Use digital marketing strategies like social media campaigns, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, email marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO, to increase your online visibility and attract potential customers. Investigating conventional marketing avenues. Traditional marketing techniques like print ads, radio ads, and TV spots shouldn't be ignored, especially if they align with the interests and behaviors of your target demographic. Establishing strategic alliances and relationships. Collaborate with businesses or organizations that are complementary to your own to broaden your visibility and penetrate new markets. Collaborations may provide up opportunities for cross-promotion and co-marketing. Conclusion. Starting a business from scratch is a transforming process that involves dedication, adaptability, and strategic thinking. By following the instructions in this manual, you'll be equipped to navigate the opportunities and traps of entrepreneurship. Remember that success takes time, and that every action you do to attain your objective counts. Your company aspirations may become a reality with careful planning, a love of creativity, and a commitment to provide value. Wishing you luck as you go. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.